Hi, my name is Becky DeSalle. I am a current patient of Dr. Ray and Dr. David. I've been here for many of years, and the care that they give is just truly amazing. I am on their program. I do the Max Living, and I also do natural holistic medicine along with theirs. And I am a cancer survivor of 2018 stage 4 ovarian, and 2021 I had a spot in my abdomen. I have a BRCA gene, and unfortunately, I live with it every day, but I am just thankful that I found them years ago to make me feel the way I feel today. I worked for King Soopers and many of other grocery chains for 36 years, and I have had neck pain, back pain, neuropathy in my feet and hands, and they've just helped me tremendously with their program and all the supplements that they supply that I am currently taking, and I feel definitely amazing of what they do every day for me, along with all my exercises that I do, home health care of what they had sent me home with on this program. And I also go to the gym a lot and work out, and I am on a healthy diet that I try to stick to as much as I can, along with everything else. But I just can't thank them enough for what they have done for me. All I got to say is you should really come here. It just gives me the chills talking about it of where I'm at today. I can't thank you enough for the way I am living my life to the fullest that I can. Thank you again.